Hello everyone, I'm John Paul Rubino Daug. I'm going to introduce my cell model. The edible materials that I'm using in my plant cell model and animal cell model is candies, cream sticks, bubble gum, pretzels, and gulaman jelly. This is the animal cell model. The parts of the animal cell are the vacuole, centrioles, Golgi vessel, Golgi apparatus, cytoplasm, nucleolus, nucleus, nuclear membrane, lysosome, cell membrane, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondrion, rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes. Plant cell model. Parts of the plant cell model are Golgi vesicles, ribosome, smooth ER, no ribosomes, nucleolus, nucleus, rough ER, endoplasmic reticulum, large central vacuole, amyloplast, starch grain, cell wall, cell membrane, Golgi apparatus, chloroplast, vacuole membrane, rafide crystal, Druce crystal, mitochondrion, cytoplasm. The major differences between plant and animal cell are plant cells have a cell wall, but animals do not. Cell walls provide support and give shape to plants. Plant cells have chloroplast, but animal cells do not. And their similarities are animal cells and plant cells share the common components of nucleus, cytoplasm, mitochondria, and the cell membrane. Plant cells have three extra components: a vacuole, a chloroplast, and a cell wall.